A second, please.
Atongoria witũ gavana Kĩmani wa Matangi, atongoria arĩa angĩ othe me aciari na ciana citũ mũrĩega. Ithuĩ ona tũtingĩhota gũgũcokeria ngatho. Tũtingĩona ciugo cia gũkwĩra nĩ gũkeno kĩrĩa twĩ nakĩo. Nĩ gũkorwo marĩa mothe tũrageragĩra tene. Rĩu tũtingĩmagerera rĩngĩ. Na nĩ tuonete we nĩ ũramenya rũru rũtarĩ njaũ. Nĩ kũhuka rũhukaga. Ũrorete ciana citũ rĩu ũgatuonia na ithuĩ twĩna rũciũ rũngĩ. Na tuana tũrĩa tuitũ nĩ tũramenya ũrĩa tũraikaraga mũciĩ gathaithagwo gathiĩ thukuru. Rĩu ona nĩko karokĩra gwĩta nyina. Gathi kanyue karia karĩa itumbĩ na karĩa tũindo tũngĩ. Nĩtwacokia ngatho. No tũgũkũna tũgwetereire harĩa gacumbĩrĩ.
Wapigiwe makofi. Pigia makofi mazuri.
Mũtongoria witũ gavana Kĩmani wa Matangi, aciari arimũ na ciana mũrĩega. Nĩ Njoroge mwanake mũnini no harĩa tũthomeire hau Kariraũ mũraigua Kariraũ. Aciari itũ nĩ marutaga wĩra mũritũ mũno wa gũka gũita maĩ irathi nĩ ũndũ wa Ndutu. Na ona ta ithuĩ twaha rĩngĩ tũtirĩ na ciara cia magũrũ. Nĩ tũthiaga tũkahenia atumia nĩ kũhĩngwo no ti kũhĩngwo nĩ ũndũ wa maũndũ matiganĩte. No nĩ ũndũ nĩ ũkĩte ũgatwĩkĩrĩra tairo ciana igakena rĩu ona ndĩrenda gũbanga mawĩra o rĩngĩ.
Wow. Thank you kindly. A second.
Mheshimiwa witũ Kĩmani wa Matangi, thirikari yaku, ciana citũ, aciari na arimũ mũrĩega. Hama rĩtwa njĩtagwo Jane, niĩ ndũmĩtwo nĩ behalf ya itũra rĩa Kariraũ, itũra rĩhana Nazareth kũrĩa Kristo aciarĩirwo. Itũra rĩrarĩ nduma-inĩ. Itũra niwe ũkorwo wĩ gavana wa mbere kũingĩra itũra rĩu ritũ. Ithuĩ tũtihana andũ a Gĩthũrai, tũraigua andũ a Gĩthũrai tũkamaka. Ithuĩ tũrĩ a mashinani ndani. Na ithuĩ nĩ tũkenete niwe Mheshimiwa kuona atĩ nĩ ũratwakĩire. ECD ĩrarĩ na mbara nene ũiguĩte. Mbara ndũrũ. Na nĩ ũrahotire gũtũthondekera natharĩ ĩyo. Itũra ritũ nĩ rĩgĩte ũtheri. Kuona atĩ tũreranaga ira. Atĩ korwo nĩ ta rũciũ ũroka. Ndiũĩ kana kwĩ mũtumia ũngĩrarĩmire. Tũragwetereire ũguo. Andũ maraimĩrĩte bara mandĩkwo moke mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Tũrĩ akenu. Ithuĩ kĩrĩa twĩ nakĩo nĩ gũkũhoera. Ngai witũ agwĩke wega. Nĩ tũraiguĩte ũrarĩ na mbara nene. Tũkamaka mũno atĩ tũkaigua thibitarĩ irerwo atĩ ciana nĩ irakua. Tũroranagia cia wa Matangi. Mũndũ tũheaga mbembe. Fertilizer. Indo cia kũhanda. Ithuĩ tũtũraga nawe. Kĩrĩa tũhandĩte nĩwe. Kĩrĩa tũrĩaga nĩwe. Mũtu. Tũgagũcokeria ngatho. Twatindĩte ona mũthenya wa kũrĩa Karinga. Tũthomaga kanitha ũcio wa Karinga. Na nĩ twakenire mũno nĩwe. Ngai witũ akũrathime, agwĩke wega na kuongerera matukũ maingĩ. Na nĩ tũgũkugĩra ngemi tondũ ngemi ciumaga na mũciĩ. Wandu atikuhĩrĩria tugĩre Mheshimiwa ngemi. Na nigetha tũmwĩre abarikiwe, 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 abarikiwe sana.
Thengio nĩ kwĩhoka mweke kau. Nĩ tondũ nĩ njũĩ kuga ngemi. Gavana nĩ ngenete mũno. Nyua ndiũ ciugo ingĩhota gũtarĩria. Nĩ tondũ ũrĩa ũtwĩkĩire. Thĩinĩ wa Kariraũ. Rĩu twetho tuge ngemi na nĩkĩo ndoka handũ haha. Reke nyambĩrĩrie.
Ciambĩrĩrie.
Saka ciugagwo ithano. Na no nginya irĩke. Haya. 1.
Your Excellency, oguo nĩguo ground kuhana na tokarira ogwika. My fellow contractors, they can nest to that, isn't it? Can we show by show of hands? That is it. That is a message across. It is not a selected. It's only that group was near here. Your Excellency, we have seen a very strong community engagement as parents and children. Actually, they dance around us. We also enjoying. We are eating on your behalf. Every time, personally, I go to Kariraũ, we are given pineapples. I'm telling you, they are thinking, and I'm sure the same thing they're enjoying, thinking we come from your office. In the name of they're happy. So we want to tell you, Jeshine Ganu, Adonia Kenu, na wajikone mukenu mono makeria. And the modern ECD facilities reflect a government that listens and invests in its people. And most importantly, hope in the eyes of young learners who now have access to safe, vibrant, and stimulating spaces that will shape their early education. Your Excellency, these projects are more than buildings. They are investments in the future of Kiambu. As contractors, we are proud to play a part in this. In conclusion, on behalf of all these contractors delivering ECD projects in Kiambu County, I wish to reaffirm our commitment to quality, integrity, and timely project completion. We remain dedicated partners who believe in your vision for a modern, inclusive, and progressive Kiambu. Thank you for the trust you have placed in us. Thank you for enabling an environment where excellence is not just expected, but supported. Thank you. May God bless Kiambu. May God bless our governor. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Lucy. Tumpigia makofi mazuri. Wacha wakuangalia vizuri. Si niliwaambia alikuja akiwa very smart. Si mumuona vile anafanya kazi mzuri. Contractors, we say thank you so much. God bless you. Tumpigia makofi mengine mazuri. Allow me, Your Excellency, nilete one of our BUM member, Mr. Njage Henry. Karibu sana. Tumpigia makofi. Najua ataongea kwa kifupi sana. I know everybody is happy. Si ndio? Karibu sana sa.
Asante sana. Your Excellency, our Governor, Dr. Kimani Wamatangi, we are so grateful for this great thing that you are doing today. And as I stand here today, I'm just a small representation of many in the Board of Management and the presentation of the teachers and the parents who are experiencing the drastic changes that you are making in the education system. My name is Henry Ngugi. I am a representation from Kid Famako Primary School, where I had the BOM for the ECD. We are so grateful. I am one of those people, those who are born the time when I was born, where classes, like my brother said, that classes were not cemented, toilets were a danger zone, and we would go barefoot. And someone said that if you want to transform a community, you transform the education system. And this is exactly what our governor has done to our community. So many things have been said, and I can attest. I'm one of the beneficiaries. My son would have been seated here. So he wouldn't have been able to come. But I am a witness of the things that are happening in this early childhood. And we are so grateful as parents and Board of Management, because structures has been laid down for the things that has to work. And they are working. We have teachers and a good way of management that is flowing down nicely. And we are so grateful for what you are doing to us. Number one, would like to say thank you because of the way you've changed the infrastructure of the education system. As you can see, we have colored teachers according to different categories, as they were told, as they were named today, as part of the big army that is heading the education system. We are so grateful because they are now recognized by the society and the community and your government. We are so grateful that they have been absorbed in your government. And we are so grateful because they know where they are heading and they have a structure to work within. Number two, we are so grateful for the things that you are doing in terms of infrastructure. I come from a place called Gekoni, and I remember those days before you did what you've done in Kerangari Primary School. When I passed there, I saw it. We could answer questions from a class just across, because the walls would allow you to view the other class. I am one of the people who I have a history where I fell one day because I forgot to carry my breakfast, my 10 o'clock tea. And I got so hungry and I fell down. and my teacher could not help. And when she took me to the road and told me to go home, unfortunately, there was no one to help me. But fortunately, there was a parent who knew my parents and came and carried me by the back and to my home. When I went back home, I was not sick, but nilikuwa na njaa. We come from different backgrounds, and we are grateful for where we are. We are so grateful that these children will not have that kind of a story. They will not give a story where they went to school and lacked something to put on their mouth. For the parents who have not had enough money to give their food 3-course meals, they have an opportunity to go to school. No one has a reason not to go to school this time. If I was the one to determine, if I was given the mandate, I would say, not 2 terms, we would change the constitution. You know what that means? I have seen a lot of change in education. I have seen something that has never been there. Teachers are motivated. Teachers are looking forward to going to school. The milk that you give, I tell you, Your Excellency, some of these children, this is the only milk they have. They don't have it at home. They take strong tea and come to school. Your Excellency, I can tell you the egg that you provide for them. It is the only source of protein for most of them. It is the only thing. Na duagaide mwere muteithia wa mutheni no ateithagia. Ateithagia u. Na kegai no muhaka murore na ritho riatha. So we are looking forward when we are given the chance to determine, because we are going to say 2 terms. Number 3, one of the other things I would like to thank you for is about the uniform that is bringing the glory and the uniformity. As you know, many children we come from different backgrounds. Some children may be coming from well provided for backgrounds, and some may not be able even to have the provision for schools. Earlier, we would see children coming from school with torn and tattered clothes. You can affirm that. But today, we have colorful children. And every time you drive from other counties and you're coming to our county, we see the beauty of our children coming from school. And we are so much encouraged, and we are so proud of our county, Kiambu. Thank you so much, Your Excellency, for making Kiambu work again. The other thing I would like to say is that Kiambu has not been known for education. And let me say this, it's not that we are dumb. It's not that we are not able to learn. It's not that we are not smart. When we were growing up, we were looking at Nyeri as a place where people would get education. And this narrative has been changed in your tenure. This narrative has changed because we can see smart people working in different professionals. I would like to pose